The WHIDBoard Pro Kit is a complete solution for hardware hacking, trusted by professional offensive and forensic hardware hackers. It's got everything you need in one box: hardware and software. Let's see what's inside. First, the WHIDBoard itself. This is the main event. More than 15 tools consolidated in one board. The pin enumerator that helps rapidly discover interfaces, the 8-channel logic analyzer, the level shifter, and all the protocol interfaces. Let's dive into accessories. The multi-format programming socket. If you have to desolder a chip, this supports SOP8, WSUN8, and QDFN8 packages. A lifesaver for those newer chips that don't have legs. To bridge your clips to the main unit, we include this DIP8 adapter board. This routes the signals from the clips correctly into the WHIDBoard. For in-circuit work, first you have the SOP16 clip. This fits the wider high-capacity flash chips, often found in automotive ECUs and routers. Then, the standard SOP8 clip. This is your daily driver for clamping onto standard BIOS chips and EEPROMs without needing to solder. We also include the Revision 4 clip set. This updated profile is designed to fit into tighter spaces on crowded PCBs, where the standard clip might struggle. For custom pinouts or connecting to headers, you have a full set of jumper wires. These give you the flexibility to wire up any target manually. And finally, a box of SMD grippers and test clips. These are high-precision hooks for grabbing onto individual IC legs or tiny test points for logic analysis when a standard clip just won't work. The WHIDBoard is a complete arsenal in a single box, trusted by thousands of hardware hackers and forensic auditors. Secure your WHIDBoard Pro now at lab401.com, the proud official manufacturer and exclusive distributor of the WHIDBoard Pro. I'm Sandy from lab401.com. Thank you for watching, take care, and see you next time.